You sound like a wet sock. You know what kills a short film faster than bad acting? Bad audio. I don't care if your film looks like it was shot by Roger Deakins himself. If it sounds like you recorded it through a potato taped to a leaf blower, it's over. Nobody cares how pretty your bouquet is when the dialogue sounds like it's underwater. So yeah, today's video is called Fix Your Audio, You Sound Like a Wet Sock. And if that offends you, good. You probably need it. The brutal truth about sound. Here's the thing. People will forgive a slightly ugly image, but they won't forgive bad sound. You can trick their eyes. You can't trick their ears. Your audio is half the movie, literally. It's the other 50% of your storytelling. When people say, your short film feels cheap, they usually mean your audio sucks. So before you buy that new lens or gimbal or subscribe to another elite pack you'll never use, buy a decent mic, learn how to use it, and fix your damn audio. The 3 levels of bad sound and how to escape them. Let's talk about the stages of audio hell. Level 1. The camera mic casualty. If you're using your camera's built-in mic, stop. Immediately. That mic was designed to barely pick up noise, not clean dialogue. It's like recording an interview through a sock full of bees. You're doing your film dirty. Grab a shotgun mic like a Rode NTG or Deity. Even a cheap lav mic is better than onboard sound. Mount it close, not on your camera, but just out of frame near your actor's mouth. Level 2. The echo chamber. You found a cool empty room. Great for visuals, terrible for audio. Now everything sounds like it's bouncing around a cave. Fix blankets, curtains, couch cushions, anything soft. Throw them everywhere, sir. Create a sound blanket fort if you have to. Dead sound is good sound. Level 3. The mix from hell. You got decent recordings, but the mix is trash. Dialogue buried under music, no EQ, no compression, no clarity. Your film sounds like a blender soloing over your protagonist's emotional breakdown. Fix. Balance your mix. Cut the low-end mud, below 80 Hz. Add a touch of compression for consistency. And always monitor with good headphones, not your laptop speakers. How to record like a pro without a pro setup. You don't need a $3,000 mic to sound good. You just need control. Mic placement. Keep it 6 to 12 inches from the mouth. The closer, the cleaner. Levels. Peaks around 6 dB. Don't clip. Monitor while recording. Always wear headphones. Room tone. Record 30 seconds of silence. Your editor will love you later. Backup audio. Use a lav and a boom if you can. Options save edits. If you nail those 5, your audio instantly jumps from student film to professional. Fix it in post, but don't depend on it. Yeah, you can clean it up in post, but that's like saying you can wash a burnt steak. Sure, it's edible, but you still messed up. If you have to fix it, here's what you can do. Use noise reduction plugins like Isotope RX or Crumple Pop. EQ out the low hums and hiss. Compress gently to even things out. Normalize to around 14 LUFs for YouTube uploads. But again, clean audio starts on set. Post should polish, not perform miracles. Sound design, the secret weapon of real filmmakers. Let's talk sound design. The thing 90% of beginners ignore. When you add the right ambient tone, footsteps, clothing rustle, and environment sounds, your film goes from student project to holy crap, that's legit. You can find free libraries online. Free sound, mix kit, artlist. Or better yet, record your own. Foley work is fun, fast, and makes your film feel alive. The best directors understand this. Sound design isn't decoration. It's storytelling. Dialogue. The most important sound in your film. Dialogue is king. If your audience can't clearly hear or understand what's being said, you've lost them. So when you're editing dialogue, prioritize it in the mix. Add gentle compression. Use EQ to bring clarity. Boost 35K Hz. Add subtle reverb only if the environment calls for it. And please, stop drowning your dialogue under royalty-free music. If you want emotion, use silence. Silence hits harder than stock piano tracks. The power of silence. Silence isn't empty, it's loaded. The absence of sound builds tension, suspense, and impact. Think of A Quiet Place or No Country for Old Men. They weaponized silence. If every second of your film has music or noise, you're afraid of letting your story breathe. Trust your visuals. Use silence. Common mistakes that make you sound amateur and how to stop. Using music to hide bad dialogue. Not recording room tone. Editing audio before syncing. Ignoring EQ and compression. Mixing on laptop speakers. Fix those, and you're already better than half of YouTube. Show us the wrap-up, punchy and motivational. Here's the bottom line. Your film is only as strong as it sounds. Nobody will remember your color grade if your audio hurts their ears. So stop treating sound like an afterthought. It's not optional, it's survival. Fix your audio, and suddenly your whole film feels more expensive. Your performances hit harder. Your world feels real. And you don't sound like a wet sock. Freedom Filmmakers plug. If you're serious about upping your game, check out Freedom Filmmakers, the online film school built for people who want to actually do it. Lifetime access, real guidance, and me as your resource whenever you need it.